Hi, my name is Nicole Kaiser. I'm the principal at Cecilia Valley Elementary. We are thrilled to welcome back our families for the 22-23 school year. We have an amazing staff and they've worked very hard this summer. We have lots of wonderful district initiatives to support our students, including the Orton-Gillingham reading methodology, as well as the project-based learning. We are just thrilled to welcome our youngest Bruins. We have many students that are returning to us and several that are new as well. So welcome, and let's make it a great year.
Hi, my name is Donna Probst. I'm the Family Resource Center Coordinator here at Cecilia Valley. Welcome to the 2022-2023 school year. We hope you have a great school year. If there's anything the Family Resource Center can do for you, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. My phone number is 270-862-3287, and have a great school year.
But I'm Roger Smallwood. I have drove for 35 years and I retired 4 years ago. And 3 years ago, I turned around and I came back. Been back driving out of Cecilia Valley, and I like driving. This is a good school. Hardin County Schools is a great place to work. It's perfect for a mother that's staying home or individual that wants a second job. You can't beat it. The school here, staff is wonderful. Our transportation leaders are great. And I'm just thankful. If you need questions, you can contact always your bus garage at 270-769-8890. You can ask for Kim Horn or Renita Howard on the south end. Or on the north end, they got a new lady. Her name is Gretchen Hardin. She just took over North End coordinator. I know Gretchen. She would be glad to help you. And any questions that you may ask, you can come to the school, call the school. That's about all I know to tell you. Have a great summer.
Hi, my name is Tiffany Newman. I'm the school counselor at Cecilia Valley Elementary School. Here at the elementary level, we focus a lot on social emotional learning, making friends, learning about our emotions and coping mechanisms and things that we could use in the classroom. We push in and do some school counseling lessons in the classroom. And then I also like to work with smaller groups of students and meet with students individually as well. We're really excited about the 22-23 school year. We can't wait to see everyone.
My name is Jason Hayes. I am here at Cecilia Valley Elementary for their open house program. I am advertising our Upward Soccer program for the White Mills Christian Church area. We offer programs for 3 years old all the way up to 6th grade. We break that down into age groups. Cost of that is $60. If you would like more information, you can see the information here on the flyer. You can get in touch with us through Facebook, and we are open to anyone and everyone that would like to join us.
My name is Rocky, and I really like Cub Scouts because everyone's invited. It's fun. You get to learn. You get to camp. You get to race cars. I've even went fishing. It's really fun. But I mostly like it because you can make friends and a lot of other reasons too. But I'm a Weeblo. You have to go through different ways, but all of them are unique, but all of them have the same idea. The idea is to have fun. Pretty much. And you can get tons of badges. You can get belt loops. Got a ton. Sometimes you get pins. It's just you earn. It's fun.
All right, tell them your name.
Bentley.
Bentley what?
Bentley Wimp.
And what class are you in? Kindergarten.
Kindergarten.
Miss Basham's class.
Miss Basham's class.
And who's this beside you? Right here.
Darren.
Darren, and he's your
brother.
Oh, okay.